In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add autoplace fields in DocuSign. By the end, you'll know how to quickly position signatures, dates, and other fields so your recipients can sign exactly where they need to, without you dragging and dropping every element manually. Autoplace uses anchor text or keywords in your document to drop fields for you, which saves time and reduces errors. First, open your web browser and head to the official DocuSign website. Then sign in with your email and password. Always make sure you're on the legitimate site before entering your credentials. If you need the direct link, you'll find it at the very top of the video description for easy access. Next, start a new envelope. Click New, then choose Send an envelope. Upload the document you want to prepare. PDFs and common document formats work well. If you can, include clear placeholder text in the file. Terms like sign here or unique keywords, so autoplace can recognize them later. Add your recipients by entering their name and email address, and assign each person the appropriate role, such as signer. If you have multiple recipients, double-check you've added each one, and that their roles reflect what they need to do in the document. Quick reminder, the link to the official DocuSign website is at the top of the description, so you can follow along directly from there. After the upload, click next to open the tagging screen. This is where you'll find all the fields you can place, including signatures, dates, initials, checkboxes, and more. Think of this panel as your toolkit for building a clean, guided signing experience. Now let's use autoplace. In the Fields panel, look for the autoplace option. Select the field you want, like signature or date, and place it over the text or placeholder you've added in your document. Autoplace looks for the keyword or anchor text and automatically positions the field where it belongs for your recipient. For best results, use unique anchors that won't appear elsewhere in the document. And be consistent with spelling and capitalization. Make sure every field is assigned to the correct recipient. If you see color coding, use it as a quick visual check that each signature, date, or set of initials matches the intended signer. Finally, review everything. Confirm your recipients, scan each page for correct field placement, and ensure the content looks right. When you're confident, click Send to deliver the envelope with autoplace fields applied. That's how to add autoplace fields in DocuSign. Thanks for watching.